These things I command you, that ye love one another. If the world hate you, ye know that it hated me before it hated you. If you are of the world will love his own. But because ye are not of the world, but I have chosen you out of the world, therefore the world hateth you. Remember the word that I had said unto you, the servant is not greater than his Lord. If they have persecuted me, they will also persecute you. If they have kept my saying, they will keep yours too. But all these things will they do unto you for my name's sake, because they know not him that sent me.